Hello, good afternoon. My name is Eduard Bodor. I represent Schneider Electric. I work as a solution architect in Nordic, Central and Eastern Europe, Regional Application Center. I was prepared to, I was trying to present you some other topic, but somehow my presentation is not on the stick. So, in this case, I should tell you something about Schneider Electric prefabricated data centers. What I intended to do was to speak about different roles in IT managers' functions. But this presentation is also okay. It's in the topic because sometimes not all the people, not all the company want to go to the cloud. There are some specific companies and public services and things like activities like this, which are not so happy to go in the cloud. Maybe sometimes the secret services will not go in the cloud at all. It depends on the cloud, because the cloud could be public or private cloud. They can use private cloud, but for sure they will not go in the public. Also banks. I'm not sure if banks will go with the main operation services in the cloud. They will stay on the premises, and they need some physical infrastructure to do this. Somehow I want to tell you a few things about Schneider. Maybe you are in this room mainly from telecom or from IT departments. In this case, you know better APC as a brand. But APC starting from 2007 is part of Schneider Electric. We are a division inside Schneider Electric, and we develop now the complete solution for data center. We, as Schneider Electric, we have inside our portfolio all the components for the physical infrastructure of the data centers. We have everything starting from medium voltage up to racks and PDUs and software for monitoring and management of the data center. I remember from the first presentation from Mr. Karasik joke with the IT guy and the telecom guy. We are the one with the switch. Without infrastructure, you don't have any services. Without energy. We have in our portfolio UPSs, we have cooling, we have racks, raised floor, everything as a physical infrastructure for data centers. I will show you here some parts of our solutions. This solution is prefabricated, so why do you need to have a building for a data center? It's enough to buy a container. And the container could have inside everything, starting from UPS, IP racks, cooling, everything inside the container. What is the difference between modular and prefabricated? Because sometimes some people are confused. Modular means that building blocks are used for design, but in prefabricated we have power, cooling, white space, infrastructure, and all of them put it together in our factories, not on site. We prepare the container with all of things inside, test it, and deliver to your site, already functional. What do you need to do after that? Only connect it to the network, data network, connect the container to the mains of the energy, and install the servers inside, and that's it. It's a pre-engineered solution, and all the components are tested for working together. It is needed only minimal on-site configuration because all the systems are configured from the factory. Usually the data centers, the traditional data centers, look like this. We have power, IT space, and cooling usually near the building or on the roof of the building. But what if things looks like this? I think there is a better image. We have a already prepared container for power with UPS inside, with switch gears, with cooling for the UPS inside, and this type of container starts from 250 kilowatts and up to 1.2 megawatts in one container. The IT container, we have different solutions. We have something like 12 standard containers for IT, from 4 or 5 racks up to 24 racks in containers. And in this situation, you don't need to have. We can configure everything as a data center in containers. Also, for cooling, we have hydraulic modules, which is also a container with pumping system for water, with UPS, which is responsible for pumping for pumps, and everything inside the container, chillers near the container. For prefabrication, for prefabricated modules, we have possibility to offer you a life cycle services for your data center. Starting from planning, if you plan if you discover a need, you need to have a data center. You need to have some applications or databases running there. And you think that we will need 10 racks for the servers. In this case, we can help you to plan exactly what you need. After that, you need a design. We already have reference design already prepared, starting from 100 kilowatts load in IT up to many megawatts load in IT, that you should build the data center. What you need to do for prefabricated solution, it's enough to have a concrete surface, and you can put there chillers, power container, IT container, and cooling container. We have services already prepared for operation of the data center. And after some time, we can help you to make an assessment. After assessment, some changes would be needed, and we start again. Plan, build, design, and operate again your infrastructure. There are three major applications for prefabricated solution. In government and military application. Another solution is scalable solution for service providers, and another application is in case that are needed to be deployed very fast. When you think to build a new data center, usually from your plan to running data center can have 1.5 years or more. We can deliver a prefabricated data center in 4 months. So you find a need, you decide to have a data center, and in 4 months you can have it. You don't need any approval, you don't need any authorization procedure for building, for everything. Most of the people think that prefabricated solutions are very expensive compared with traditional. Check it. It's not real. If you take in consideration all the things, including building and other parts of infrastructures, with and compare with prefabricated solution, you will find that it's cheap. Thank you very much.